Hi folks, and welcome to more of my trading stuff. In this video I'm just going to show you how we use the bot map that Phil has put together, and also how you can download the actual algo files and other documents from the Dropbox area. So this is the bot map spreadsheet, and that is available via our WhatsApp group, or there will be a link to it in the welcome email. When you've opened it, as you can see along the top line, you have the various bots that we've written. The next line down, you've got the watch video options, and then you've got click here to download. And we do also have an option for all of the downloads. So if I choose our first bot, the time of day short, and click on the watch video, I'll just pause this video before it actually starts. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, what you have down here on the right hand side is a subscribe button. If you click on that and then the little bell icon, you'll be notified each time we release a new video onto YouTube. So if we go back to our spreadsheet, for each bot we also have a link to the Dropbox area for the download. So if I click on that, this takes me to Dropbox. Now I don't actually need to have a Dropbox account to be able to download the files and things from here. As you can see, I've got little icons that give me the link to the PDF file that explains all about the strategy and the parameters, and also the .algo file, and that is the actual bot file that you'll need to download and install on your CTrader to be able to use it. At the top right hand side of the screen here, you've got a download button. If you click on that and then go to direct download, it will download both of these files into your downloads folder. So here it's created a new time of day short folder for me in my downloads with the PDF file that explains how to use it, and also the actual algo file that I can then double click on to install into CTrader. If I only wanted to install the algo file and not download the PDF, I can click on that. It tells me that algo files can't be previewed, and that is perfectly normal, and that is correct. So you then simply click on the download button and go to direct download, and it will just download the algo file for you directly into your downloads folder. So mine, I've got a link to it on my bar at the bottom here. It could be that you need to go through Finder or Windows Explorer and then find your downloads folder, and as you can see, I've got my time of day short algo file here in my list. So again, you just double click on that to install it into your CTrader. If we go back to our spreadsheet, as you can see, we've got all of the different bots in here, and that is how we use this spreadsheet. It's meant to be a quick and easy way to get the links to the videos and also the downloads. Hopefully you've found this useful. If you've liked this video, click on the little thumbs up. Any comments, leave them below. If you'd like to join us on our WhatsApp group, then head along to our Patreon page. The link is down below, and you'll be able to sign up and have access to all of these downloads and all of the future development that we do. Anyway, hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching.